Hello students, how are you all? Take care of your health, stay at home, stay healthy. You all know we are doing lesson 3 and we have started the topic classification. We did first and second classification. Today it's time to do third classification. In this classification, animals are divided or separated according to the body as well as behavior. Not all animals look same. They are differ from each other. But there are some animals whose body features are completely different from the animals we know. And even animals also show different behavior with the enemies and behavior in eating food habits and many more. So let's read how animals differ from other animals and what animals are differ from others according to the behavior as well as body features. We can classify animals on the basis of their body and behavior. We can put them into following categories. First one is birds. How birds are different? According to the body features, it can be easily seen that birds have wings as well as feathers that help them to fly in the air. Birds are the animals that can fly. This makes the difference from other animals. Example of birds are pigeon, crow, sparrow, ostrich, penguin, parrot, etc. These are all birds. Birds have one beak, one tail, one beak, this one is beak, two legs, and birds have no teeth. Bird uses its beak to put in the seeds or the grains, whatever it eats. It eats with the help of its beak. Wings are the feathers which protect the birds. These are the wings. Wings are the feathers which protect the birds from hot and cold weather. It covers the bird's body and it helps them and it protects them from hot and cold weather and also help them in flying. But here is some exception. Birds like ostrich and penguin, this one is penguin, ostrich, these birds cannot fly because they are very heavy. Because of their weight, these birds cannot fly up in the air. Now insects. Insects are very small animals with 6 legs. Insects have 6 legs, you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the legs and a pair of antennas. Insects have a pair of antennas also. This one is antenna. Antenna is present on the head of the insect. These are the antennas, pair of antennas and 6 legs. Insects have 6 legs and pair of antenna. Antenna's work is it acts as a sense organ. It helps the insects to feel the obstacle, whatever comes in their way. They can easily feel the obstacle. Antennas also help them to smell as well as it also helps them to, some insects antennas also help them to touch the thing whether it is hot or cold. For here are the examples of insects: cockroach, grasshopper, dragonfly, mosquito. Mosquito is what, student? It can be normally seen nowadays It sucks the blood from human body. Housefly, etc. These are the insects. Here are the birds. Pigeon, eagle. Eagle is the bird that can fly up very high in the air. Ostrich. Ostrich, because of its heavy weight, ostrich cannot fly. Now insects, here are some insects: butterfly, ant, ladybug, cockroach, honeybee, dragonfly. These are all insects. So this is all about our today's video, third classification. I hope so it is clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day.